Alrighty, this is a story about a little doggy who likes to follow me around and I do this. So watch and see. Around the corner, okay? By the way, that bird flying away is because of that. So, I'm sorry to say this, but I do smoke. I'm gonna take it and pretend to smoke. Puff puff, yes yes. Okie day. And all I can think of when I see this dog is Jaws. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. So we put the cigarette down. And he just stares. And what? Oh. And that's a goober dog.